How to enable floating window in Samsung. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you what methods that we can follow to enable the floating window, which is the pop-up view. So let's just dive right into the video and we should be able to control it. So let's just get started. So for that, we can open up the recent app sections. First of all, open up application, for example, Facebook, and go to the recent app section. Once it is done, what we can do is we can tap on the app icon in the top of the app card and select the option of open in pop-up view. And when we do that, it will open up the pop-up view on our screen. We can just go over and drag the handle at the top of the window, resize it as well, go ahead and resize it and tap on it in order to minimize or maximize it as well, and that way we should be able to do it. If you want to close it up completely, we can tap on the cross icon in order to close it up. Apart from that, we can just go over and enable gesture support. So go to settings for that and look out for advanced features. Inside here, we can tap on the option called labs and look out for the option called multi-window for all applications or swipe for pop-up view. And we can just go and turn on those toggle options, and that will allow the applications to open in pop-up view and enable the floating window in Samsung. And that's it. Now you just need to go and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.